What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and hope you're having a great week so far. And in this video, we will talk about Solana. I'll do a quick update. I wanted to do a quick update because I know a lot of you have asked for it. I did a technical analysis in the Cilinix Charts channel, which is a Telegram channel I have, which you can access if you just check out the links down in the description, and you can find it there. But yeah, so I already did an analysis on Solana, but I also wanted to do some sort of a video on it, just explaining my thoughts on what's going on right now and what's most likely to happen next. I do want to say, and we'll talk about what's going on with FTX as well. I mean, obviously there's a lot of talks around that. The thing though is that my my opinion on that is slightly different from what you hear mostly. So we'll talk about that. It's mainly about the effects that the selling of Sol has on the price of Sol, which I think is not that big. And most people are saying it's going to crash down heavily. I don't buy into that, but we'll talk about that in the video. All right, before we dive into that, I do want to mention as well that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals, but you also gain access to a chat room full of traders and my training guide. So if you are interested in that, consider joining via the links down in the description or the pinned comment. For now, let's get into Solana. So what we're seeing right now with Solana is, first of all, volume is decent at around 400 million. But it's like, we could take a look at the fundamentals. The fundamentals for Solana have always been pretty steady. And it's kind of the same right now. Like, the total value locked is still pretty steady. Daily active addresses are dropping, but the daily transactions are still the same. The thing though is that Solana is definitely in a downtrend right here. It's just the only thing that you can see. And I don't see, like, I don't think about FTX, like FTX and Alameda Research, they hold a lot of Solana because they invested early, right? But most of that is still vested, so they don't have access to those coins. And then apart from that, what's also true is that the sale of the assets is probably going to be done in a responsible way. Like, they know it's being done by some market makers that do have expertise in crypto. They know that dumping it all at once is not great, and they want to get as much money from it as possible. So they will probably, like if Bitcoin is bullish, they will probably sell a little bit. Or if there's some sort of positive news about Solana, then they will sell it, because then there's a lot of buying pressure and it will not affect the price that much. So I don't think the sell of Solana that FTX holds will be that detrimental. It will be selling pressure, all right? And it will definitely not help with the downtrend that Solana has. And at this point of time, I also do not think that Solana will get out of that. I think if Bitcoin gets some bullish momentum up towards 26,000 and above that, I think Solana could get all the way up to this support level right here around $19. But for now, I absolutely see no way of Solana breaking above this entire strong resistance level between 18.5 and 19.2. So even if it gets there, which it already got to 18.5, but even if it gets higher, I think it would just find resistance and eventually drop down below 17.5 and continue down to our next support level, which in my eyes is between 16.5 and 16.2. This is the most likely scenario in my eyes. I don't see a clear reason why this would not go like this at this point of time. There is the potential that Bitcoin becomes very bullish right now, also together with the inflation rate numbers, which we'll get tomorrow, and that then all of a sudden we'll see a lot of bullish momentum. Then it is possible that Solana will get some sort of bullish breakout and will consolidate a bit higher. It's a possibility, but at this point of time, it's by far not the most likely scenario. All right, so those are my thoughts. That's my analysis on Solana. If you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.